What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it does look as though it has rolled over a little bit again today. Obviously we had that decent rally, didn't we, on what was this, the 22nd of September last week, when we did have that big, move to the downside. We got this A, B, C correction, we've got this bounce here. And as you can see, we have actually come back down, and it currently looks as though we have swept the lows somewhat and had a decent bounce for Polygon, actually coming up from around that $1.03 area all the way back up to around $1.10 at the time of recording this video. If we draw in that little range that we've been talking about being quite prevalent, you can see here we've got a little bit of a range looking something like this. And as you can see, nice bit of structure here, fake out to the downside, nice bit of structure here. We did say for a long time that this would be an important area. We come up to these key levels that we were talking about. We're in a bit of a range here, aren't we? We have the fake out to the upside twice. We come back inside the range, but then we lose the bottom of the range. We come back down into the next little range and area below. We come down, we sweep the lows, we come back up. We test the top of the range, but we get rejected, so we roll over again. And you can see with our fib levels here, just how prevalent these levels actually are in terms of Fibonacci levels. You can see here, resistance, support. We come up, come back down, support, come up again, come back down, support all the way here, resistance, support, but then we lose support here. So we come down to our next fib level, the 038. We get that bounce to the upside. We're, flip bearish on our EMAs now, aren't we? So we're stuck under these for the time being. And, you can see quite clearly for most cryptos, we've got a little bit of something forming up like this, where we've got this falling wedge, just like we did here. And you can see it's a bit more of a bit of a smaller falling wedge. And, we could be seeing an A, B, C, D, maybe that E correction to come down to the bottom of the range and the bottom of the wedge, and then get that bounce to the upside with bullish divergences as well. You can see here, the RSI looks as though it is starting to run out of steam. It's getting quite oversold as well. So all in all, we're not, a lot of people have been super bearish on Polygon and the crypto space in general. But it has been September, which is, historically a very, very bad time for markets in general. And in October, we're probably going to see a very, very nice bounce in our opinion, considering, how suppressed and how much we've been coiling in reality. I mean, if you look at this overall, you could say realistically, we're potentially looking something like this, where we're just coiling to a point. And if we do hit a point like this and you get the breakout, then we could be looking at a very nice run for Polygon, most likely taking it past the all-time high. So keeping these short and sweet then, if we do roll over here, we do expect the bottom of this range at around $1 to hold. $1 obviously being a very strong psychological support, coinciding nicely with the bottom of this range here as well. This overall range levels here where you'd expect to hold most likely, considering that we are, getting oversold right now, in confluence with the bottom of this falling wedge that we are seeing here as well. And if we do move back to the upside, we want to break out this resistance at around 120-ish, come back to the upside at the 050, and then head back up towards the 618 and beyond, really. Just getting back up towards some of these price targets that we have rolled over from here in the future. So, and then long term, as we keep saying, we do think $5 to $10 for Polygon is a realistic price target. It coincides nicely with these fib levels and basically top quality projects. So that's it guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.